Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video where we're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin. So right now you can see the price of Bitcoin is currently looking bullish. Right now I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. We have this 4-hour candle that is looking extremely bullish. You can see the volume here at the bottom. It's really high, currently 77,000. That is huge. And this is good for Bitcoin because in the last few days, we've been having a strong resistance at around 42,500 has been a huge resistance for Bitcoin. As you can see here, we tested that here on March 9 and we got rejected pretty bad and we fell all the way down to like 38,000. And then we tried again here to test this resistance of 42,000. You know, we didn't even go up to 500. We got rejected again. But this time around, this rejection did not bring us all the way down. It didn't bring us all the way down to, you know, the 39, 38K range. Instead, Bitcoin managed to hold this 40,000 support here. Okay, so 40,500 has been a huge support where Bitcoin has been holding for the last couple of days. And like I said, we had the resistance here at 42,000. So right now, what is happening right now, Bitcoin is attempting to break this 42,500 resistance. It needs to break this 42,500 resistance in order for us to start heading up towards the next huge resistance, which would be at around 44,500. So this current 4-hour candle that is about to close in like 20 minutes needs to close above 42,500. If that doesn't happen, then the next candle that starts after that needs to close above 42,500. If that doesn't happen, then I think we're going to head back down. Okay, we'll head back down. And if we do that, then we should hopefully find support at around 42,600. You know, we also have this uptrend line here on the 4-hour time frame, and it's been actually holding it. You can see here. So this is the red line that I drew. So we held, it started over here, and then we tested it, and then the price was able to hold that support. And now we also got supported here. So this trend line is being respected. So if the price was to fail breaking this 42,500 resistance, then we're going to head back down and come to this trend line. If we can't hold it, then we're going to break down to 40,500. If we can hold the 40,500 support, then I expect the price to drop back down to 39,400. This is where the next huge support is for Bitcoin. Now, this is what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. Now, I want us to take a look at the daily time frame so that we can see the big picture. Whenever you're trading, guys, you want to always look at the big picture. Never just rely on what's happening on a smaller time frame, because the patterns that get formed on the smaller time frame is short term. Okay, you want to look at the bigger time frame because it's gonna help you to actually know exactly what direction the market is going in the long term. So let's look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame here, there is a pattern that I actually noticed here last few days, and it's been playing out pretty well. So right now on the daily time frame, you can see we've been in a downtrend for quite some time now. It's been months. We've been in a downtrend. And then towards the end of January, we started heading up. You know, we found a huge resistance at around 45,600. And because of that, we started crashing back down. And then we tried again going to 45,000. We got a huge rejection, head back down. Now, this has been happening, but as this is happening, a pattern was forming. The price was not just moving randomly. As it was moving, it was actually creating a pattern. And this pattern that I noticed here is the ascending triangle. So we have an ascending triangle on the daily time frame. As you can see right here, okay, this purple line that I drew, that is an ascending triangle. Now with an ascending triangle, the price could either break upward or it can break downward. So for this ascending triangle, the support would be this bottom line here. Okay, that would be the support. And then resistance is right here. So resistance is like around 44,500. That's the resistance for this ascending triangle. And then the support would be anywhere between 39,000, 40,000. This is where the support is. So now what I am expecting to see is for the price to actually break upward, because we can see right now the price decided that it's going to go high. It has refused to go down. So because of that, I am expecting that Bitcoin is heading towards 44,500. And once it gets there, it needs to break out of this triangle. If it breaks out of that triangle, that is going to be extremely bullish. And from here, the target would be 48,000, 49,000. This is where the next huge resistance is. So how I would be trading this, I would wait to see if Bitcoin manages to break above 44,500 and it closes above it, okay, the price closes above 44,500, then I would go ahead and place a long position and ride it all the way to 48,000 or even 49,000. This is where the next big resistance is. And if that doesn't happen though, if Bitcoin actually gets rejected again at 44,500, then we can expect the price to actually drop down. And as it's dropping down, if it breaks out of this triangle, that will bring us all the way down to 33,000 and 30,000. This is where the next huge support is. So yeah, guys, this is all that's happening in the market right now. It's looking pretty bullish, but remember, if you're trading, always set your stop losses because it will save you from losing all your money. That's it for this video. If you found some value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I make a lot of videos like this. So if you want to learn more on how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, then this is the right channel for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day.